In the previous class, we already have learnt about the numbers, which are natural numbers, whole numbers, integers. In this class, we will study about the rational numbers. Before starting the rational numbers, first we have to recapitalize the natural numbers. What are natural numbers? The collection of the numbers which starts from 1, 2 up to infinite. Or we can say that all the counting numbers are called natural numbers. A natural number is denoted by capital N. After discovery of zero, the new number formed, which is whole number. Whole number is denoted by W, and it is the collection of all the natural numbers together with zero, and it is this. So we can say that all the natural numbers are whole numbers. So definition, we can say that in the other way, that is, all the natural numbers together with zero are whole numbers, or a number which starts from 0 up to infinite is known as whole numbers. Similarly, we know that the next number which is integers. Integer is the collection of 0, positive numbers and negative numbers, and it is denoted by I and Z. So integers can be defined as all the whole numbers together with negative numbers is known as integers. Or we can say that the collection of the positive numbers, negative numbers and 0 are called integers. Here the symbol Z is a Greek word. It comes from, and it means, it is a Zahlen, and it means to count. Z means Zahlen, which means to count. All of us know that what a number line is. This is the number line. And the numbers see here on the number line are integers. On the right side of the 0 are positive integers, and the left side of the 0 are negative integers. Integers we are familiar with, but what about the numbers like these? Each of these numbers, we all know what is the number line. The numbers C on the number line are called integers. Integers we are familiar with, but what about the numbers like 1 by 3, 5 by 2, minus 7 by 2, minus 5 by 6? Each of these numbers are called rational numbers. But we need to define them well. We cannot say like 1 by 3 so that these are the rational numbers. We say there are the form which is p by q, where one of the number is numerator and the another one is denominator. But there are the few conditions we need to know. If the number is in the form of p by q, where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0, so that it is called rational numbers. Why it should not be q is not equal to 0? Why this condition happens? Why we have the second condition? We in this rational number, in the definition of rational number, there are two conditions which are p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0. Why we have the second condition? Say if 3 by 0, if 3 is divided by 0, then what will be the quotient? And if we multiply 0 by what number to get 3? There is no such number. This value is undefined. So that this is the basic definition of rational numbers. All the natural numbers, whole numbers and integers can be written in the form of p by q by taking their denominator 1, so that we can see all the natural numbers, whole numbers and integers can be written in the form p by q by taking their denominator one. For example, 7 can be written like this. The denominator is 1. Minus 11, we can write minus 11 by 1. And 0 can also be written by taking the denominator as 1. Thus, they all are rational numbers. All are rational numbers. Some more examples are 4 by 3. When we divide 4 by 3, then it will be again we are subtracting, then 3 3 ja, and it is we can see that the remainder is occurring again and again the same, so that the quotient is in the form of 1.333 dot dot dot. We can write this quotient if the same digit is repeating after the decimal, then we can write 1.3 to the power 1.3 bar. Again we can take the another example. So if we divide 9 by 11, then it will be again we can see that this remainder is repeating again and again, and this remainder is repeating again and again, so that the quotient is also like this, which is 0.8181, and so on. When we continue in the same manner the division, then it will be like this 0.818181, it will come infinitely, so that we can write this number 0.81 bar. If two digits are repeating again and again, so that we can write 0.81 bar. Similarly, we can say that this answer and this answer means both the quotients are known as non-terminating repeating or recurring decimal number. This type of rational number is known as non-terminating, repeating or recurring decimal number. This means all terminating or non-terminating decimal numbers are rational numbers. What it means? This means all terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal numbers are rational numbers. So we can see that the rational number can be expressed in the form of decimal, which are terminating decimal number, and non-terminating repeating or recurring decimal numbers. So it means all the terminating or non-terminating repeating decimal numbers are rational numbers. Now we can represent the rational numbers by using Venn diagram. We can also represent the rational numbers can be expressed by using Venn diagram, which is as follows. So this is the natural number. This one is whole numbers. This part is known as integers, and the last layer is known as rational numbers. So we can see that all the natural numbers are rational numbers, all the whole numbers are integers, all the whole numbers are rational numbers, all the integers are rational numbers. So we can say